What do you do, Kanekis? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Before we get started, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who is new, everyone who has recently joined the channel over the past couple of weeks. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you're new and you haven't subscribed already, please do hit that subscribe button. The channel is quickly growing. Be a part of the community. And of course, I always appreciate the long-standing people, the day ones. Thank you guys very much for your continued support. Right, so in this video is probably going to be my quickest video that I'll probably do on finance. So I'm going to be talking about how to buy gold and silver. It's going to initially focus mainly on the UK because, I mean, that's where I am. So I know about the capital gains tax-free coins. But I will also refer to coins that you can get in different countries depending on where you're currently located. But before we get into it, please hit the like button if you end up enjoying this one. Share it out with people who are asking questions about how to buy gold or people you'd want to educate on how to buy gold. Subscribe as well if you're new. Let's get into it. Right, so the website I use is called Atkinson's Bullion. That's just my personal preference. There are so many other websites you can use. I believe there's also goldinvestments.com. But I use these guys because they have a portfolio page. So they have a dashboard that shows you how much you've bought and how your portfolio is doing over time. So it's, I don't know, I just prefer it. I think the services they provide are really nice. So do check them out if you're looking to buy some gold and silver. Right, so in the UK, there are these three coins. These are the three coins, the main ones that you should be focusing on. The one on the left is the Gold Britannia. The one in the middle is the Gold Sovereign. And the one on the right is the Silver Britannia. These three coins are capital gains tax-free, meaning when you buy them and you choose to sell them at a later date, you do not pay any capital gains tax on the appreciation you make. I believe the UK capital gains is made on gains that are more than £4,000, and considering this is real money, they don't tax the gains you make on it when you sell. Hopefully, you never have to sell. I think that's an important caveat for me to make. Gold and silver are not things you want to sell. They're usually the sort of like the last resort, really. That means you're falling on hard times. You really do not want to be selling these because these maintain your purchasing power over time. So let's get into it. How do you buy gold coins? We're going to start with the Britannia gold coins. It's very simple. It's like buying something on Amazon. You look at the coins, you see what you want to get. There's the 1 ounce gold coin. Then you've got the 10th. No, that's a combo. You've got the 1/4 ounce. You've got the 1/2 ounce, however, I think the halves are out of stock at the moment, and the 10th. So it's basically this 1 ounce coin, but then the prices are like a 1/4 or a 10th. I think there's also a half. So you click on the 1 ounce. We're going to use the 1 ounce, for example, and then you click add to basket. It's that simple. I told you it's going to be a very short video. It is that simple. We're gonna look at the gold sovereign. I don't know. Some institutions make it seem like buying gold is very difficult. It's not. It isn't. It's very simple. So this is a 2025 coin. It's the last of the rose gold coin. I think in 2026 they're going to change the color of it. I suspect they will make it gold as well. I'm not sure. They haven't really released the designs for that yet. So this is the gold sovereign. Once again, you click on it. You can adjust the quantity you like to get, maybe 3, maybe just the 1, and then you click add to basket, and you go through the typical process like putting in your card details, address where you like them to deliver it to as well, and then usually it takes a day, but I think at the moment it's 2 working days because there's high demand for it. So that's it. That's it for the gold section. For silver, the same Britannia coins. You can get them in a tube. It goes up to like 25 coins in a tube. Silver is very cheap. Honestly, like it's stupid how cheap silver is. It's been suppressed. The price has been suppressed. Really, its true value is north of £1,000. $1,000. So if you want proof for that, I'll give you proof. It is usdebtclock.org. So what they do is they take let me get this right. There we go. So it's the year-over-year increase in empty money supply divided by the yearly world production of silver. So it's not looking at the paper market, it's looking at the actual physical silver there is in production. And it's about $1.2 thousand per ounce. That's the true value of silver, but it's being massively suppressed at the moment. Central banks are shorting in the paper markets and the future markets. They're using derivatives. So if you're looking at the gold prices and you think it's a bit too expensive, silver is a phenomenal option. I buy silver as well. It's meant for barterability. So as gold goes up, silver tends to go up with it as well. So yeah, there's silver. Although a caveat is silver does have a VAT applied to it. It is unfortunately under that VAT thing. So it's 20% added tax on silver when you buy it, but when you sell it, you don't pay any capital gains tax on it. So they show you the value of a single silver coin without the VAT and then including the VAT, so you know exactly how much VAT you're paying for it. If you don't want to use Atkinson's bullion, you can buy it directly from the Royal Mint. Once again, this is in the UK. So if you click on search, you can see the two options here, the Britannias, the silver and gold. And it's the same process. You put in the number of quantities you want, and then you click add to basket, and you go through the typical process. In the US, the one I know of is Miles Franklin. This is a very reputable, highly reputable precious metals investment dealer. You've got the gold and silver up here. It shows you the prices. Click on the gold. I think in America it's called American Eagles. There we go, the American Eagle. So they've got the 1 ounce silver, 1 ounce gold. Click on it, same thing. Put the quantity in, and you click add to cart. If you're in neither of those two countries, America or the UK, you can look it up on Wikipedia. So these are the names of the bullion coins that they've got. Australia is the dragon rectangular coin. China's the gold panda, that one I know. Canada maple leaf. New Zealand kiwi. South African Krugerrand. There's a very popular one as well. But I'm not sure about the capital gains tax based on those coins and in those locations. Do check it out online. However, in the UK, I know for sure, if you buy a sovereign or Britannia gold or silver coin, you do not pay any capital gains tax on it. So that's the video. Very quick, very simple. It is as simple as buying something on Amazon. Do not let the idea that, oh, because it's physical and you have to store it, deter you. It is worth it. It is well worth it, because if you keep your savings, your long-term savings in your bank account, it will lose value over time, unfortunately, because of inflation. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And one more important thing, don't look at the price and think it's too expensive, because by saying that, you're assuming it's going to go down eventually. It's not the price of gold going up, it is the value of your currency going down. And it is a certainty that your currency, our currency, will be losing value over time. So the price of gold and silver are only trending one way, upwards, for time. So get in now, buy it now. Don't get greedy, dollar cost average month over month, and just buy when you have excess savings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, please share it out with people you believe will enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.